Hello, I'm Shadow. We will learn about the transportation expenses. The transportation expense refers to specific costs incurred by an employee or self-employed taxpayer who travels for business purposes. You people go by rail, airline, bus, taxi, or any other means of conveyance for business purposes. These are a subset of travel expenses. Additional expenses include fuel, parking fees, lodging, meals, and telephone charges. For example, a person wants to go from New York to Stamford by bus. Its bus fare is $8, and its distance traveled is 40 miles. The transportation cost rate is 20 cents per mile. Another example, you may consider, airfares. The person travels from USA to Iceland, just like in the topic for travel visa. Its airfare is given by $900, and its distance traveled is about 3,500 miles. The rate of transportation cost is about to be 26 cents per mile. Henceforth, some transportation expenses may be eligible for a tax deduction on an employee's tax return. So, this topic you heard about transportation expenses. Like, comment, and subscribe now.